How to download Halifax online banking app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to download Halifax online banking app. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your device and find and open your app store. There search for the Halifax mobile banking app and find the Halifax mobile banking app to download. Tap on the Get button for the iOS device. This will begin downloading and installing the app on your device. Confirm with your Accessibility Touch and Face ID. Then it will start downloading. It will take for a while to download. Once the app is installed, tap on Open to launch it. Next, log in into your Halifax account using your username and password. If you haven't set up your online banking yet, you'll need to do it first on their website. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded Halifax online banking app and logged in into your account. Now you can manage your finances from mobile devices. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.